Hello everyone, I hope you are well and safe. Let's see how this method works. Click on Free Gift Cards Method button, now you will see the guide. Follow the method and you will receive new gift cards every day. So, click on Website. Sign up with your email. Now we have to use those coupons, so click on Use Coupons. Go back to the guide page and copy and paste all the coupons like this. Cool. Now you have 500 points, you will exchange your points for gift cards. You can get $20 in gift cards for 3,000 points. Click on referral links and now you are going to do the autopilot part. Find a link with a 3x bonus points and either edit the guide file or make your own, teaching people how to get free gift cards with this referral link.